Pope Francis is in Gemelli Hospital in Rome. He has been there since February 14th. The Pope went to the hospital because he was having trouble breathing. At first, doctors said he had a respiratory infection. They expected him to stay for a few days. However, the Pope's condition worsened. On February 22nd, he had a serious breathing problem. Doctors gave him oxygen to help him breathe. Tests showed he had pneumonia in both lungs. This is a serious condition, especially for someone his age. Doctors also found that the Pope has anemia. This means he doesn't have enough red blood cells. This can make him feel very tired. Doctors gave him a blood transfusion to help with this. Pope Francis is now in his 9th day at the hospital. His doctors say he is tired but in good spirits. He is sitting up in a chair and working. He is also joking with the hospital staff. Pope Francis's condition is serious. He is 86 years old, and pneumonia is dangerous for older people. Doctors are worried about the risk of sepsis. This is a life-threatening condition that can happen when the body has a severe infection. The Pope is receiving treatment for his pneumonia. He is taking antibiotics to fight the infection and cortisone to reduce inflammation. He is also receiving oxygen to help him breathe. Doctors say he does not need a ventilator to help him breathe, which is a good sign. Even with treatment, the Pope's recovery is expected to be slow. Doctors say he will likely be in the hospital for at least another week. They also say he will probably have breathing problems for a long time. Despite the seriousness of his condition, Pope Francis remains optimistic. He has continued to work from the hospital and has even joked with his doctors and nurses. His resilience and good humor have impressed the medical staff. The Vatican has been very open about Pope Francis's health. They have released daily updates on his condition. This is unusual for the Vatican, which is usually very private. The Vatican's openness is a sign of Pope Francis's own desire for transparency. He has always been open about his health problems. He wants people to know that he is human and that he gets sick just like everyone else. The Vatican has said that the Pope is continuing to work from the hospital. He is still in charge of the Catholic Church. However, he has had to cancel some of his engagements. For example, he missed his traditional Sunday blessing for the second week in a row. Despite the Pope's illness, the work of the Catholic Church continues. The Vatican is going ahead with plans for the Holy Year, a major event that happens every 25 years. Section 4. The world reacts with concern. News of Pope Francis's hospitalization has been met with concern around the world. Catholics and non-Catholics alike have been praying for his recovery. Many people have left flowers and messages of support outside Gemelli Hospital. Pope Francis is a popular figure. He is known for his humility, his compassion for the poor, and his commitment to social justice. He has been a vocal advocate for refugees, the environment, and peace. The Pope's illness has reminded people of his humanity. He's often seen as a powerful figure, but he is also an elderly man with health problems. His illness has made him seem more relatable to many people. People around the world continue to follow news of the Pope's health with concern and hope. They are praying for his full recovery. Section 5. The future of the Papacy. Pope Francis's illness has raised questions about the future of the Papacy. Some people are wondering if he will be able to continue as Pope if his health does not improve. The Pope has said that he believes the Papacy is a lifelong commitment. He has given no indication that he is considering resigning. However, some people believe that he may be forced to step down if his health deteriorates further. If Pope Francis were to resign, it would be a momentous event. The last time a pope resigned was in 2013 when Pope Benedict XVI stepped down due to ill health. Before that, the last papal resignation was in 1415. For now, Pope Francis remains Pope, even from his hospital bed. The world waits and prays for his recovery, while also contemplating the potential ramifications of his illness on the future of the Catholic Church.